So we're here in South Texas, and our pipes burst a couple nights ago now, so we're without water. And because the whole city is hitting this problem, there's no plumbers, they're weeks ahead, weeks wait. So we're not sure when we're actually going to have water in our house. We thought we had made it through. We called late because we're kind of when it defrosts, sometimes it will break instead of when it's actually happening.
Yeah.
And we were a full day after it was all done, and it started leaking. So before the plumber gets here, I'm too fat basically to go in the hole. But my wife, my little wife, oh, this is why you need a Filipino. Because she's small enough, she's gonna change her clothes and get all muddy and film the pipe, and so we can see if we see anything wrong with it. And then first we'll see if there's anything obviously wrong, and then we'll see if there's not, then we might have to turn the water on and see where there's leaks coming out and have her film that. But first we're just gonna check to see.
Check first if like have broke or no broke.
So now first she's gonna change her clothes to something she basically doesn't mind. We don't have a washer dryer, so we can't even wash anything or rinse it outside because there's no water running. We'll have her change clothes and we'll be right back. She is first trying to get in this hole. She's gonna have to, you know, figure out. Now, I kind of like the view so far. Here she goes. Oh, even her wet fits in there. Uh-oh, but her pants are coming down. Look at those cute little feet. What? Yeah, all those pipes all the way down as far as you can go. Now, are you ready for the camera? Now, I'm going to hand you the camera and all this stuff, too. So, get in there and get turned around. Here's the camera. Do you want the light, or is it bright enough?
Yeah, I need light.
Here's the bright light. And just crawl as much as you can in there.
In the middle?
Yeah.
I'm not fit the middle, my love.
Well, move around as much as you can. Can you go farther, or just there? Because if that's all you can do, then this is real helpful.
Ew, it's so dirty.
We want to go as far in there.
Oh, wait a minute. Minute.
Talk to the camera about what you're seeing.
I'm looking where I'm going in. Look like the place here I can go in, my love, because they have a metal and like have electric. Scary. Yeah. Wait a minute.
Okay, you're doing good. Oh, look at your feet are. Oh, there's second camera.
Huh?
Second camera.
Wait a minute. Look at that. See, going in. But it's hard me to go what the middle have it. So here I'm looking if like, look at that, how messy here. And I don't know what color of pipes we're checking here, but I can see the interesting. So I tried another way.
Now the back door, can you go towards the back door?
Huh? I cannot go in, malam.
Okay, now we're gonna try this version of it. Let's see if she can get in here.
Tiny.
Tiny, yes. So I haven't dunk here, so this was from an old crack addict plumber went under there once, but and then actually a real plumber too. Okay, yeah, you try to go down. She seems hesitant. She's a little scared.
I want to check where I'm going in first and then here the part.
Okay. I'll check on the kids while you're doing that. I'll get stuff.
Aray. Aray, aray, aray. This is the pipes. So I'm going the other way. So maybe, I hope no one follows me, the animals here. So I'm going in. Oh my god, it's like I'm going swim. Yeah. Here. And then I'm going in again. Alright. And you see? Nothing animals, right? These the pipes. And pipes. And pipes. And then I let crawl and crawl here. So I want to check again. My foot the broke here. So I'm going here. Liliana. Here. So I'm going to check the pipes. What my husband talk about. So here. My daughter's here.
Okay, no, don't call.
And now I'm checking the pipes over here. Look like here, my love, the part here in the middle have pipes.
I'm coming down. What is that?
Look like the part here, the have more white, the pipes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're all the way over there. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Do you see anything totally broken?
Yeah, that's why I'm going in.
Okay,
it's
good job.
Yeah.
You are doing it.
But have here is the color like metal. Is not that right? Only like white.
It could be any of them. We're looking for anything that's broken.
Because here is different.
The pipe.
Like the metal like a broke.
Okay, is it connected?
No, it's not connected. Like is the old.
Oh, okay. Probably when they changed it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
looking for anything that's connected, any opening holes, anything like that, and filming it.
I need to touching, right? Or what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I'm going swim. Yeah.
Now, do you want me to turn the water on?
Huh?
You want me to turn the water on?
Wait a minute. I need to check the purse.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I can see the broke here, so
Okay. Okay. So no broken pipes.
yeah.
Okay. Do you see where that pipe goes down straight from like the kitchen down? Is there a big pipe there?
Kitchen.
Yeah, straight down from the kitchen. There's a pipe that goes straight down from the kitchen and my office. There's a pipe. Do you see any kind of? Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Wow.
I saw here, my love, the like a water.
I don't know, but okay, it looks good.
My love?
My love?
I saw here is wet.
It's wet. Okay, take a video of the wet area.
Okay, wait a
Like
minute.
the ground's wet or the pipe's wet?
The wood, our
Oh. Okay,
yeah.
video the wood, yeah.
Yeah, hey, wait a minute.
Is there a pipe right there?
Huh?
Is there a pipe that's where the wood is?
Yeah, like have pipes there, so I don't know the pipe is broke or something.
Touch the pipe, see if you see any kind of, or feel any kind of moisture from the pipe.
Wait a minute.
So that's probably where I need to get fixed, if that's...
Aray, wait a minute. Touch the pipes.
Yeah, just see if there's something wrong with that pipe. You know, something obviously wrong with the pipe.
It's nothing, malab.
Okay.
Because have here like have paper over here, and then I wanna touch it. Wait a minute.
Okay, just wanted to see if there's anything wet. The wood being wet is a bad sign, yeah. So that could be where the problem is.
But I'm touching here with paper,
Yeah.
with pipe, it's not wet.
Yeah.
So, but the wood here is obvious,
It got wet.
is wet. So something, right. But here is like so wet here, the part here. You see? So wet. So we don't know where's the part. It's broken.
You want me to turn the water on yet?
Yeah, I think so. Try it.
Okay. Film probably where it's wet to see if it's going right down there. See, I'll see that.
Okay. Ready? Here, I don't know, it's to connect to our house, but I say here it's not like connected. So here, right over there. Didn't have pipes. Something up there too, so I don't know which the one. So I don't know if I go more over there. So my husband tried to on the water and check where's it broke. There is the part is broke. See? That's why I have water. Malab, it's here.
What?
It's broke here.
You see it broken?
Yeah, the small pipes.
Okay, video the pipe. I'm gonna turn the water off.
Yeah, turn off now because I'm going to my face. Yeah, look at that how it's gonna go bad water and going in over there. So we know now where's the broke, and it's nothing happened here, so only like here and going there like that. It's gonna bad water. My husband tried to turn the water, and we know now where's the broke. So
Okay. So you got a good video of it leaking?
yeah, very. It's
Pipe so they can see how long it is.
yeah. It's so
How wide.
yeah. Like wait, I will size my hand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's only like there is bad, and then yeah.
That's the only place that was leaking?
Oh yeah.
But it's leaking good, okay.
Oh yeah.
You did it, my love. You're my hero. Okay.
And then I'm going back to my place.
You are my lover. I love you, my plumber. You want to go get a plumbing degree?
Maybe you need to training. Yeah. Ouch. Ow, my puwet. Now I'm alive, guys. I'm here. Whoa. And you know what my situation here. And I'm still here. Now I'm still alive. Look at my position. Need to clean it first. And look at that. How I do. Oh. See? I'm from province. I'm dirt.
Wow. Hero Filipino girl.
Yeah, the big. Huh?
Hi. Yeah. Wow. Oh wow.
Hi.
Oh.